This product video features the Aqua Select Easy Clip Vacuum Pole and all of its product features. The Easy Clip Vacuum Pole is made from aluminum and has a total extended length ranging from 5 feet to 21 feet, depending on the model. For ease of handling, the Easy Clip Vacuum Pole comes with rubberized grip handles. The Easy Clip pole comes with simple to use twist lock cams that unlock to extend the length of the vacuum pole as desired. Additionally, the Easy Clip vacuum pole offers a clip lock that detaches with a simple pinch and lift using the Easy Clip release mechanism. The Easy Clip pole fits most vacuum heads, leaf skimmers, leaf nets, and brushes.